is a sad day. Look at this. We went to a car show yesterday, and on the way back home, of course, I hit a huge bump. Took out the front side of the window and the left side. But it keeps falling out, so rip it. Oh no. Well, there we go. That takes care of that. The screwdriver's disgusting. God. This is not working out the way I thought it would. Oh man, I just woke up and I feel exhausted. But anyway, as you guys can see, the vinyl wrap, tape, liner, pinstripe did not work. It fell off. Look at that. I guess it was expected, right? But don't worry, I'm not gonna give up. We're gonna heat up the vinyl this time, make it nice and sticky. I'm assuming because it's gonna be nice and sticky, it's gonna stick right along it just fine without falling off again and looking like straight doo-doo. I don't know, man. Again, I just woke up, man. I'm tired. So first, what we're gonna do here is heat up this tape and see if that works. Nope. Well, that was answered very quickly. I think that actually worked. Let me stand back a little bit. Oh no, I look stupid. All right, guys, you ready to see? Button. Looks a little better than before, right? Right? Come on, right? Oh man, I really just have to suck it up and buy a new lip. I only break them when I go to car meets. It's only when I go to car meets. What is my luck with going out and having a good time and breaking lips? I just got this lip like 2 or 3 months ago, so I guess the next video is gonna be me installing a lip for the 20th time. Maybe I'll buy a real lip this time. Just wanted to make a quick short video. I'll check you guys out next time, or that didn't sound right. Oh my God, I gotta really work on my outros. They're just so awkward. I really never know what to say. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.